Okay, we are asked to solve this question. So this one is very simple. So you can write 99 as minus 1. So therefore, the question now becomes 100 minus 1 all squared. So we can solve this one using the algebraic identity a minus b to bracket all squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Is our a becomes the 100, the b becomes the 1. So we just substitute into the equation. So we have 100 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 to bracket 100 to bracket 1. So 100 squared will then give us 1 minus 200. So already this is 10,000. So we now have 801. So very simple, using the algebraic identity. So if you have not watched my video on the identities, basic identities in algebra, I'll leave the link in the description below.